Keeping the rave alive, unraveling the vibes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's both a literal and figurative expression of enthusiasm and endurance. Keep the rave alive. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply love exploring the depths of the English language, this video is crafted for you. Let's decode the meaning, origins, and how you can use this vibrant phrase in everyday conversation. First things first, let's break down what a rave is. Traditionally, a rave refers to a large dance party featuring performances by DJs or live performers playing electronic music. The key elements include fast-paced music, light shows, and a sense of community among attendees. But beyond its literal meaning, rave symbolizes a celebration of life, freedom, and expression through music and dance. When we say, keep the rave alive, we're talking about more than just continuing to attend or organize dance parties. It's an expression that encourages maintaining a spirit of enthusiasm, energy, and commitment to a particular cause or passion. It's about fostering a vibrant community spirit, promoting positivity, and ensuring the continuation of a movement or tradition that brings joy and unity. You might wonder how to incorporate "keep the rave alive" into your daily conversations or writings. Here are a few examples. Motivation and encouragement. Use it to motivate friends or community members to stay enthusiastic and committed to a shared goal. Let's keep the rave alive by organizing more community cleanup days. Expressing passion. Show your dedication to a hobby or interest. I spend every weekend hiking different trails. Gotta keep the rave alive. Cultural references. When discussing music, art, or social movements, it's a way to express hope for their endurance. Despite the challenges, we need to keep the rave alive for future generations to experience the joy of vinyl records. Keep the rave alive is much more than a phrase. It's a call to action, a reminder to cherish and sustain the things in life that bring us together in celebration and joy. Whether it's through music, art, or any other form of expression, keeping the rave alive means nurturing the passion and energy that make life vibrant. We hope this video has illuminated the depth and versatility of this expression. Keep spreading positivity, and let's keep the rave alive together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful explorations into the English language. See you in the next video.